Good morning, guys. I'm gonna show you another recipe video. I'm gonna be making my brother for lunch today. We're not really doing too much because I feel like this week he's been eating a lot of heavy stuff and we had to slow it down today. So what I decided to make was some sandwich and some fruits salad. We have bacon, cheese, some eggs, sandwich bread, brioche, and we have the turkey. This is gonna be like a egg, bacon, egg, and cheese with some ham sandwich, and then on the side with some fruit salad. So yeah, it's not too much going on, just very chill, very laid back, very demure. But I'm talking too much now, so I'm gonna go get started. And yeah. And first thing first, I put the eggs in a bowl. I slice up some onions, green onions, and regular onion. I put it in here. I'm just gonna add some seasoning. I'll just show you guys what seasoning I'm gonna use for my eggs. Since today is a chill day, this is all the seasoning I'm gonna use. Just a little bit. See, I always open it on this side because it comes out really small. Some pink Himalayan salt, ground black pepper, garlic powder, a little bit of chili flakes, of course the MSG. This is, how do I put it? Yeah, it's kind of semi an omelet, but it's not really omelet because it's going in the bread. But yeah, first thing first, I'm gonna get my stuff hot, of course, and gonna start out with the bacon. I'm cooking the bacon in here and not in the air fryer because I need the bacon grease to be able to cook the eggs in it. It's, trust me, it's bussing, okay? My professional big back style, I added some I'm very good at but anyways, I added some smoked ham. Yes, I'm frying it up next to the bacon. It's all going to go in the sandwich. So I'm just gonna let this fry up. These are super thin. So yeah. And yeah, this was a smoked ham that, if you saw the sandwich video, you would have seen this in it. But in the silence. You don't want to burn your bacon. Neither that. And be careful. The oil, this thing pops up a lot. Do you see the oil stuff here? Yeah, I just had a battle with it. Now that the bacon is done, I took 2 slices of bread. Yeah, and I'm gonna put that in the toaster. Ooh. Not for long. And while it's in the toaster, I am going to fry the eggs. And yes, I'm using the bacon grease to fry the eggs with it. I totally forgot to put my bread in here and it is burnt. No, he is not gonna use this. I'm gonna eat this later myself, but I have to put new bread in here for it. And the egg is currently frying right now. Look at that eggs. It looks and tastes delicious. Yes. Anyway, it's done, so I turn the stove off. I do it like this so the oil can drain out. I mean, it's not really oily, but you know, it's a good egg. That's, I gotta tell you. Why the egg is hot like this, I just put the cheese on it like that. And I'm gonna yeah, it's just gonna be in the middle. The cheese is gonna be in the middle because it's gonna melt with the egg folded around it like this. Oh man. And that, yes, that is what you want. The cheese is gonna be very melty in the middle. It's hidden so you wouldn't see it. success. This one was a success. I didn't burn it this time. I mean, this is the color you want. So I'm just gonna fix this real quick so you can see it. If you're new here, then you probably don't know my brother do not like soggy stuff. But if you're not new here, then you know he don't like soggy stuff. I do not want this sandwich to be soggy, so I'm debating. I'm gonna put just a little bit of Chick-fil-A sauce. Yes, we're using Chick-fil-A sauce. This is like his go-to sauce. Just a little bit, okay? Not too much. And just spread that, because technically I am going to be putting some Chick-fil-A sauce in the container. You know, for here, sick. And now with that, I'm gonna add the eggs. Hello, please don't fall. Hello. This is like my biggest oppressor. Hello? Like, you wanna fight? Please don't. Do you see this? Like, do you see this? So rude. Okay. Put the... Okay. I don't want to touch this with my hands. But I am. My hands are clean anyways. That's very hot. But do you see like the cheese melted in the middle? Yeah. And I'm just gonna put that on top. My hands are clean, guys. Don't come for me. That's the ham / turkey. Yeah, I'm gonna put some bacon on top. Yeah. Meow. Oh, like, look at that. You can't eat this? You won't eat this? Oh, well, that's you. But that's a big sandwich. I'm just gonna fix it up real quick. I'm just holding it up for you guys to see. Do you see that? That's so beautiful. And it tastes even better. I'm leaving it like that. I'm not cutting it. He don't like his stuff sliced up. So, like, yeah. And now that I'm done with the sandwich, I'm gonna get started on a fruit salad. It's not really a salad, it's just a bunch of fruit mixed together, but we're doing this anyways. First, I'm gonna put my fruits together and wash them. I'm not showing you this part. You should know how to wash fruits by now. I washed it and sliced the strawberries. So now I'm just gonna plate everything and then I'll show you guys. But stick around to see whether he's gonna finish the lunch. I will post the full video, the full reel for the meal, the lunch, how I pack everything. I'm gonna show you on my reel on my Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. If you can check out my reel, whichever platform you're looking at right now. Check it out. And you also get to see whether he finished the lunch after school right after this. So stick around and find out. And now I'm just gonna show you guys whether he finished his school. His food. He just came back from school. Let's see. He did not eat the blueberries. I'm freaking crying. This I'm gonna make into a smoothie. Okay, there's nothing in there. Period. That's it. I basically ate everything. Display. Anyway, thanks for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I post these videos every Monday to Friday. Just showing ideas of what I'm making for lunch. You could try out as well. And thank you. Bye. Actually, I forgot to do this. I'm gonna do this one way anyway, but I'm still gonna do it. I'm mastering the art of doing this with my one hand. Wow, look at that. Slay. Okay, bye.